All right, so this is 2009 BMW X5 3.0 gas. Looking at the graph for the water pump. See how this goes? I'm guessing it's gonna run at 0 until it gets to operating temperature about 200 some degrees, and it's 83 degrees outside right now. So here we go. Normal operation kind of freaks you out when you don't see it for the first time. That's multiple times to figure out what's going on with this little rodeo. And this is the one that we're looking at. And this is without the air conditioning running, so it'll probably take a little bit longer for it to work. So this is probably just a normal operation for the day for this vehicle. Probably for maybe all the water pumps for BMW, that I'm not sure. If you have any comments to talk about on that, I would be very glad if you did, because then we can find out how all of the water pumps work on every individual vehicle for BMW. All the other water pumps from other manufacturers are not electric. If there is one, please tell me in the comments below. I did see the one sitting at the sitting at a stoplight. It got up to 230 degrees without the fan going, and the water pump was at 53 RPMs, and we're currently at 0 for the water pump. We'll see how long it takes to get to there. I see the mileage here. I'm at 70.4. I'm guessing I started at 70.2. Gonna roll up the windows here. Still no water pump turning. We're at 135 degrees. Everything is data, data, data. As you can see, going 52 miles an hour. Still no water pump working. It's crazy. But they've been running these for 10 years, these water pumps. Yeah, and then they got rid of them with the B52 motor. So the N52 and then the N55 motor. We're at about 160 degrees. I would think that some parts of the motor pockets are over that 162 because if the water pump's not kicking. But again, this motor has lasted almost 200,000 miles, so I guess it's not a problem. So we're at 72 miles right now, so 72, 70, okay, so we're at 1 mile now at 80 degrees outside. This is without the air conditioning running. Still no water pump. And usually if the water pump is bad, you'll have the radiator fan just blowing like crazy, like it's gonna take off. So we're still good. It's also showing the accelerator pedal along with the throttle valve, which is a throttle body, which makes the water or the air go into the motor. It's showing about 60 miles. Oh, there we go, bingo. So we're at probably 73.1. So almost 1 mile. Got up to 210. It's unfortunate it doesn't show the fan speed for cooling, but it's probably not needed. And we're about 212 right now for the engine. Okay, well that's what it takes. Once it gets to operating temperature, it looks like it kicks in. It just doesn't. That's when it kicks in. With that. Now it drops to. So now it'll probably go down to 53 RPMs, which is the standard temperature for this vehicle. So that took roughly, I have to check, do some turning here, just be a moment. So we were probably 5 minutes in until the water pump kicked in. So it's going up a hill. As you see, the accelerator pedal was up to probably, 35, 40. So it was pouring in the, gas was pouring into the motor, warming it up. And now it's gonna go back down here. It's an operator going on. 80 degrees outside. Will it drop to 53? I don't know. $72. So the water pump is moving faster than I thought it would. I wonder if it's still 208 for the water temperature for radiator fluid. It's working like it should though. I kind of wonder sometimes, the faster you go, the more efficient it is. It seems like if you go 75 miles an hour, you get better gas mileage, which includes probably the motor running higher. Now you see the, the accelerator position. Okay, so that turned off because it's on cruise control. So let's go back. Crazy thing. All right. So now we're going up a hill. Now you can see the accelerator pedal. But you can see the throttle valve angle, which is the throttle valve body. If you take a look at that, that will tell you how much the motor's actually working. So more air means more gas, which means more heat, which means faster. There we go, water pump. So now it's slowing down, going down a hill, and we're sitting at 53. And just was going down for a while there. Right. So now water pump's going up a little bit. I'm not sure why, because one day the this coolant temperature engine, whoopsies, was at 230. And it just, the water pump was at 53 RPMs. It's just, that's probably why they got rid of it. But if you have one like this, it's good to know how that thing works. Now, if it was cold outside, let's say it's like 0 degrees, and you have the heat all the way on high, the water pump will be running at 212 RPMs. And then if you need to accelerate or whatever, it'll go up to the max of the 250. It's just, yeah, it is what it is. So now we're running at almost 220 for the engine temperature, for the radiator fluid. Stop. As you can see, the speed and the acceleration. So I think what it is, it runs off the accelerator pedal information for the water pump or the valve, throttle valve angle. It's got to be running off one of those to know what the water pump should be doing for the anticipation. I can't believe it's the motor, but it's one of those engine speeds. It's one of those, because it's definitely not running off the temperature of the radiator fluid. So it's always good to know the behavior of this DME with the water pump. Let's see if it's got me over. Rover. It's just good to know. Just made a U-turn. Don't know if you guys can see the graph or not. Okay. But it's been doing good for traffic. Being stuck in traffic, surprisingly, none of the radiator hoses have blown yet, so it's pretty good. So we're at 55 and showing the speed that we're going, 15 miles an hour. It's lazy mode, I guess. Alright, we shall see you guys soon.